Hello, everyone. Tonight's dinner of the day is a roll, a beautiful ham and cheese sandwiches. Well, actually, sandwich right now from a deli. City News in Waterbury, Connecticut. Their prices are economical, delicious, and very much in the now. They also have fresh macaroni salad, potato salad, and coleslaw. And also they do foot-long grinders, and they have slices of all different types of delicious cakes and cookies. And also you can go there to buy all your bus passes that you need, because they are a bus pass seller. They will sell you bus passes to get anywhere in Waterbury you need to go. Don't forget to give the thumbs up, everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe. Explorer Channel out.